Guys, and we can proceed now to open this car as expected. If I put batteries in, it's totally dead. I've got the batteries here, so I'm going to continue now and open the car. I can move this with my hand. Okay, let's just see what we've got here. Loose wires. Okay, gents, I think the first thing I need to do is, you can see the on-off switch is at the bottom here at the motor. And there's the two wires, or three. It's this purple one, or blue, and this yellow one, and the brown one. And that all goes to the battery. So I need to check whether the switch work. I think that's the first thing to eliminate. So let me set you up and let me check that. Okay, one thing I can confirm. So there is power from on the battery pack, as you can see. Okay, now I will check one step further. Okay guys, it seems if we've got a real problem. I have experience of this little motors. If it sits for so many years, it needs some lubrication. So I'll try a WD-40 and see if it will turn. Let it sit a little bit. Okay guys, we start getting live. Let me just put it there on the positive. Look at the engine. I just need to get it on the right place. Let me just make my contacts ready. Okay gents, I've got definitely live now out of the motor, but I think all the mechanisms, everything would like to run now. So I think I must oil everything that I can to make things smoother. And I will also quickly put in there that shaft. And the driving wheels. Okay, let's try again. Okay guys, check now for the motor. You turn and stop. You see? So for some reason, you don't want to keep on running. Watch it. It's a matter of it's dry. So let me ensure that everything is nice and oiled. Okay, good chance. I've kind of sorted it out now, but I've got a problem and I will show you now. Yeah, well, what happened now is this green gear slip over the shaft of the motor. And this is the one thing that I need to fix. And the other problem is the whole driving mechanism hang now. You can see the shaft, if I put it, push it up, it needs to be sitting on its tires in order to take up the slack on the gears. You see there's some gears slipping when I try to engage it. So I can try it, take the, without that wheel underneath. Let's see. You can hear what now happened is a slip here, and then so I need that to fix that. Okay guys, I managed to get the light work in the engine as well. Okay, let me just check. What now? Let me just check quickly. Okay, I've got it. So we've got engine light. And I also find out we've got power through the wiring system to the engine. Okay, so the engine is still dry on places, but I'm going to work on this now. Okay,